Hello everyone. Today we will be on board a Cathay Pacific flight on board an Airbus A350 from Bangalore, India, all the way to Hong Kong. Sit back, relax, while we see how the flight is. If you're new to this channel, please do share, subscribe, uh, and leave a comment. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and helps the channel like me grow. Till then, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you, everyone. Hi everyone. So I just had one of the most terrible experiences here in the airport. So normally, what I do is like I just go to the airport and check in, and I use my priority pass card to go to the lounge. So today, it's not what's happening here in Bangalore. So I just went to the 080 lounge here in Bangalore, and I just asked them about the priority pass. So what they did was they just kicked me out, and they're like they don't accept priority pass, but they do offer a few other Indian banks, which unfortunately I don't have it. So unfortunately, I don't have any launch today. So so what I did was I just got some snacks from the duty free. So it's not. I mean, it's not good of his food, but I'll still show you what happened, what I'm having before the flight. This is what I got from the duty free. I got. I just have two Snickers and one orange juice, or pulpy orange, and some water. That's just a pre-flight meal. I was terribly disappointed because I don't have access to the priority pass. But I don't know what's happening. It's been a very crazy day. It's one of the worst experiences I ever had. The other thing that I wanted to discuss about this airport and today's experience is that I didn't have any currency on me as I'm going to Hong Kong. So what I thought was I thought of changing my currency at the airport. So normally at every other airport you can technically change the currency after the immigration. But I go to the guy over there, and he asked me what passport am I holding. So I told I am Indian. So he's like, you cannot change the currency after the immigration. I'm like, what? It just not. I mean, it's not good, you know. So I don't have any money. So so he told me not to. He told me I had to go get the money before the immigration. I mean, I only hold an Indian passport, but I don't come to India often, and I haven't been to India in almost like 5 or 6 years at a time. So I mean, it's just not fair, you know. If there's some Indian currency and I want to change it, yeah, I mean they should have the facility for Indians to change it, you know. So with all that being said, I am so happy that I am finally going out. So here's my flight. So I'll just show you the flight in a minute. And it's approximately 1 more hour for the flight to board. In fact, it's only 10 more minutes before the flight to board. And I cannot tell you how happy I am to finally be boarding that flight and out of this country. That's our 350-900 all the way to get us from Hong Kong. We will experience her today. So let's see how she goes. I just can't believe that it's happening. So finally we are leaving. Finally we are heading to Hong Kong. Like I just can't tell you how happy I am. Our flight today out of Bangalore is a 7.5-year-old Airbus A350-900 operated by Cathay, which has the tail number Bravo Lima Romeo Foxtrot, which has approximately 280 seats, spread across 38 in business class, 28 in premium economy, and 214 in economy. Fortunately, today we will be on the wing of the aircraft. Anyway, let's check out the features first with the entertainment options, which has a selection of movies, series, and games. Shortly after takeoff, the crew were fast in doing what I hated the most. That is forcing us to close the window blinds. And shortly after that, dinner was served. I had the Hindu non-veg meal, which consisted of a chicken curry and some potatoes and some small portions of naan bread, croissants, yogurts, and some fresh fruit. After finishing off my dinner, it was time to do some lure. As we are preparing for the landing, let me just reflect on how the flight was. The flight personally was a great one, as it helped me out of India. The services on board were amazing, and I had a great experience watching the in-flight entertainment and enjoying the meals. The one thing I didn't like about the flight was the crew forced me to close the window blinds after takeoff. But apart from that, all in all, the service was I would give it a 9 out of 10 stars for my experience on board. Thank you, Cathay, for this wonderful flight.